Hello everyone, just want to let you know we're going to start off by going to your Google Drive, and up in the left hand corner you'll click New, and then we're going to slide on down to More, and there we can see it, Google Forms. So I just want to let you know that you can get to Google Forms by going from your Drive, clicking New, but there's also another way. You know that famous cluster up in the right hand corner right here, you can get the forms that way also. So we'll cover that a little later when we can design that area and add your apps that way. That's an important thing to do. So I'm going to click New, More, and then Google Forms. And it opens right up to that wonderful, beautiful purple. But our best practice is to always go ahead and name this survey or quiz, which you'd like to use to send out and gather data and information that comes back into an Excel file, or in this case, they send it to their sheets, and that's their Excel, and it's Google owned and it's free. So here we go. I think I'm going to put in name. You know what? I think I'll put in the first question here over to the right and click that plus, and then I'm just going to ask for a name, and that's going to be a short answer. You can see multiple choice, true, false, linear layout. There's all different things. So I'm going to ask people for their name. It's a short answer, and I can make that required. So let's go ahead and make that required. Now, I just want to let you know I could go ahead and ask the first question by clicking plus. Let's just see. How was your holiday? You know, was it good? Was it bad? Alrighty, and then from there we could even put other also, right? From there you could add text or a picture or a YouTube video in there, other things. It's really nice and quick, and it allows you to send in the email of who you want to send it to. And in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and preview it right there, but I'm also going to change the color in the background for that banner. Just want to let you know you can pick anything there. You can even upload your own custom background. So that'll be one of the steps here we'll be doing, is customizing a form, allowing you to get comfortable putting in questions for a survey, and then you'd submit. There, you see how it rejected it because I didn't put in the name because that was required. Okay, so now if I just get rid of that browser just to take a quick look back, you can see that it's given me one response. And there it is. There's the pie chart for the response. So just wanted to let you know the last thing there as we just kind of review the steps there. You can click send, put in an email to test things out. I always suggest testing it to a fellow coworker or someone who can verify that they're getting everything fine, and that's just the best way to be testing out. Of course, we have other options there. We can put in new add-ons and other things that you can share with friends and coworkers of cool new plugins that really expand the capabilities of forms. But I think it's so much better than Wufoo and Qualtrics. They have their pluses, but this Google Forms is really fast. So there we go. As you can see the spreadsheet by clicking that little green button there, we can take it from there.